Hello, I'm Rachel and you're very welcome to Douentza Garden here in Wexford, Ireland. On this channel I upload a variety of videos all about plants and about gardening, and the topics vary. So there are videos twice a week on a Thursday and on a Sunday, and they can be about outdoor gardening here in my garden, which is an acre in size in what roughly equates to zone 9. So lots of gardening things to do outdoors. I also upload videos about greenhouses, and I have a permanent collection in my glass house, mostly succulents and South African bulbs. And in the other greenhouse I tend to deal with things like propagation and annuals, that kind of thing for the garden. I also upload videos about houseplants and orchids. And I visit other people's gardens, whether in Ireland or abroad, and bring you what beauty and tips they have to help us in our own space, wherever that might be. So if you're interested in those types of video, I invite you to subscribe to the channel, and I will share with you the knowledge I've built up over my years of gardening, in writing for magazines, in having my gardening books published, and also just hands-on experience here in my own garden. Thanks for listening. See you on a video.